Looking for a productivity tool that combines documents, spreadsheets, databases, project management, and AI in one place? Coda has become one of the more interesting alternatives to tools like Notion, Airtable, and traditional project management apps. But is Coda actually worth using in 2026? Let's take a look. Coda is an all-in-one workspace that combines the flexibility of a document with the power of spreadsheets and databases. You can use it to create project trackers, team hubs, meeting notes, task lists, dashboards, and custom workflows. Instead of having separate tools for documents, tables, and project management, you can build many of those systems inside a single Coda doc. One of Coda's biggest strengths is customization. Its tables can behave much more like databases than traditional spreadsheets, and you can connect information between different pages. You can also use formulas, buttons, automations, and packs to create workflows that fit the way your team actually works. Packs are especially useful because they connect Coda with other services. You can integrate tools such as Slack, Gmail, Microsoft Teams, Jira, Salesforce, and many others. That means Coda can become a central workspace that pulls information from the other apps your team already uses. Now let's talk about AI. Coda AI is built directly into the workspace. It can help you write and edit content, summarize information, create tables, find action items, and generate insights from your data. There's also AI chat, AI columns, AI blocks, and an AI reviewer that can provide feedback on your documents. In 2026, Coda also improved its AI columns with newer models designed to provide faster and more consistent results. So AI isn't just an extra chatbot sitting beside your documents. It's integrated directly into the tables and workflows you're already building. Now let's talk about pricing. Coda has a pricing model that's different from many competitors. Instead of charging for every person who views or edits a document, Coda primarily charges for doc makers. Editors and viewers can use the workspace without becoming paid seats. The free plan is available for getting started, while Pro and Team plans add larger documents, more automations, packs, and collaboration features. Enterprise is available for larger organizations that need additional administration, security, and scalability. This pricing model can be a major advantage for teams with lots of collaborators. You can have many people working with your documents without paying for every person who simply needs to view or edit them. However, Coda isn't perfect. The biggest downside is the learning curve. Because you can build so many different things, figuring out the best way to structure your workspace can take some time. And if you're only looking for a simple notes app or basic task manager, Coda may feel like overkill. Some advanced integrations and AI usage can also involve additional costs, so you need to check what your particular workflow requires. Another important change in 2026 is the name. Coda is now called Superhuman Docs. The product itself hasn't simply disappeared or been replaced. Your existing docs, workflows, tables, packs, automations, and formulas continue to work. It's essentially Coda evolving under the Superhuman brand. So, is Coda worth it in 2026? If you want a highly customizable workspace that combines documents, databases, spreadsheets, project management, integrations, and AI, Coda is definitely worth considering. It's particularly useful for teams that want to replace several separate tools with one flexible system. But if you prefer simple software that works immediately with almost no setup, Coda may be more complicated than you need. Overall, Coda remains one of the most flexible productivity platforms available in 2026. Its biggest strengths are customization, integrations, collaborative documents, powerful tables, and built-in AI. The biggest weakness is that all that flexibility comes with a learning curve. So my final verdict is simple. Coda is a strong choice for teams that want to build their own workflows instead of adapting to a rigid project management tool. If that sounds like you, Coda is definitely worth a look in 2026. And that's my Coda review for 2026.